Uh, First of all, a very good morning to all of you present here.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
How are you all?
I am
Fine.
fine. And you?
Okay, I'm going fantastically. What about your life?
Life is going very well.
Okay, me too. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Akash Sharma. I am from Maduka. My father's name is Mr. Kailash Sharma. He is a farmer and a priest as well. My mother's name is Mrs. Shobha Sharma. She is a homemaker. Uh, about my educational qualifications, I have completed BTech in Computer Science Department from BKBIT Pirani. Nowadays, I am preparing for the CDAC examination, which will be held in maybe April or March. So now it's all about me. If you are having any kind of queries about me, my lifestyle, and all, you can solve them by asking the questions. Right? It's your time to put up the questions. Carry on.
What is your hobby?
My hobbies are in my spare time. I want to play cricket and to give my extra time to learn some extra technologies. Like nowadays, I'm learning Django platform for developing the websites and all regarding Python.
Okay, you say that your favorite game is cricket.
Yes.
Then tell me who is your favorite player?
My former favorite player is Mahendra Singh Dhoni, but nowadays he don't play for the team, so it's on the second behalf. I will say the name of Virat Kohli.
Your favorite player is Amazon. And what are the quality in Amazon?
So yes, I can count, make you count that what are the special qualities present in Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So he became my favorite player. First of all, I will say about his attitude on the field. Okay, he keeps himself as very calm and cool. Whether he is winning, whether he is losing, whether he got the catch, and all in every kind of situation, he always keep himself very cool, very calm. Okay. The second thing, he is the world's best finisher ever.
And captain.
Okay. Third, he is the ever best wicket keeper. Okay. He has done the stumping in very less time. This is the world record, that's 0.006 seconds. Okay. So I think that's all about Mahendra Singh Dhoni. And obviously, we can say that Mahendra Singh Dhoni is not only a name, it's a brand. So now, next question, please.
What's your goal?
What's my goal? I have said that I'm an engineer, so I want to go in the engineering life and in technology as well. So I will go for the company, I will go for the technical jobs. Next question, please.
Who is your favorite actor?
There isn't any favorite actor of me. I like the acting, not the actor. So if anybody is doing best, I will give 100 out of 100. But I would like, I always like to see the movies of Akshay Kumar, Ranveer Kapoor.
Okay, Akash, what do you think about girls? Every girl's bad and not.
I think no one is bad.
What's your opinion?
Okay, my opinion about girls. Nowadays, no one is good or no one is bad. The good or bad we can define like the attitude of them. Okay, I'm not saying that each and every girl is bad, but I'm not saying that every man is good. We have the coin, and every kind of coin have the two faces. So that's all. Some girls are bad, some girls are good. Speaking not.
So, what kind of person do you like?
I like the person who we can say that if we are not fighting and we are loving nature person, so I like the most loving nature.
But I think I need every kind of person according to time and situation.
Yes, but loving person can manage the situation. But if you are having a person who fights the most, so he will not be able, maybe he or she is short tempered, so he will not be able to manage the situation. But a loving nature person, a caring person will always handle the situation, whether it is bad or good.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat Chinese.
Why?
It's that matter of taste I like the most. Maybe nowadays I'm taking too much sour. Yes.
And what type of food do you like the most?
I can't define it because I take everything except the veg of Mongoli.
Mongoli.
Yes, I don't like it.
You don't like.
No, I don't like it. I never ever had
Why?
it. I don't know, but I don't like that because
Then
whenever I take it, I vomit.
which type of vegetable do you like the most?
Yeah, this will depend on the situation and the time. Maybe if I am occasionally, I will take paneer. But in the daily,
Okay, Akash, you know we would celebrate a New Year party.
what? Sorry, I didn't get you properly.
We would celebrate a New Year party.
Yes.
On 1 January. So what will you do different in 1 January?
First, we are to discuss the party. You know what is going through the party, who will manage it, financial conditions, and after that, if we are successful for the party, I will definitely do something special. Okay.
So can you suggest me what should we do?
I think the party must be full of people. Okay. And there must be some high-bass music, dance, jokes, and some games. And the last, the crispy food must be there.
Do you play any game in your
I
mobile?
used to play PUBG when I had.
You like PUBG?
Listen me first. I used to play PUBG mobile when I had OnePlus mobile. But when I get this phone, unfortunately I couldn't play because it doesn't support the more graphics, HD graphics.
What is the brand? Is this one?
Okay, I give the information of my mobile phone fully. Okay, this is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 4GB 64GB ROM variant. Its globally name is Vines, and now I have flashed in some outside the ROMs. Okay, so this is, we can say, mixed up phone.
Do you take wine?
No, I didn't take wine any.
Why don't you take?
So why?
Why do you take next? Why lगा
What are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays I am preparing for CCAT examination to clear exam.
CAT
So
exam.
you get the admission in CDEC and top 10 institutes.
Cat.
CCAT.
Secret.
Why do you take wine?
I never take wine. I never take wine.
What's your achievement in your life?
I don't have any kind of big achievements, but if occasionally, like we can say, firstly I became the Mr. Farewell of R&I Road and plus 2 school, and after that I went to Amit University to represent my college. So I think that are the achievements, little achievements for me, that among the thousands of boys and girls, I was chosen to represent my college.
Then how will you define a success according to you?
Success, we can say success is the most top priority thing for each and everyone, not only in the persons, in the animals also. Okay, so I think if I am doing something and I am satisfied with my work, my family satisfied with my work, and the situation going through my family, if we all are satisfied, then I can say that yes, I am the successful person. Whether I am earning lakhs, crores, or thousands,
Do you take
satisfaction is the most.
Do you take Happy Bubble?
No, I never take Apple bubble.
Then I want to ask you, what is the
What is the
Hubble Bubble?
Hubble bubble? Is a device which is used to do the kind of activities of the smoking. In our villages or our locality area, we call it in the Hindi, or we can say Marwadi, hukka. Yes.
Do you smoke any? Do you smoke?
No, I don't smoke. So I think we have the limited time.
Yes.
So thank you so much for listening very carefully. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.